Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yellow, and as you may have figured out by the title, today's video is all about my new place. I'm so excited to share my new place with you, as well as some tips and tricks on how you guys can transform your places into a space that you absolutely love for the low. Because remember, Yellow is all about saving them coins, honey. Okay, so first off, I want to let you know this will be a series of videos. I'm going to go room by room, starting off with the bathroom, because I feel like the bathroom is the easiest place to start with. You don't need any furniture, you don't need to spend a lot of money, you just need a little bit of creativity and maybe a few new items, and it will be completely transformed. So before let's go ahead and get into the video, and make sure you stick all the way to the end, because I will have a price list of what I paid in total, as well as a list of stores where I purchased each item from. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so this is what my bathroom is looking like so far. I am going to go through everything one by one and show you exactly what I did. But right now, I feel like I still need to add a few things. But right now, this is where I'm at. But again, I'm going to go through everything one by one and show you exactly what it's looking like, where I got it from, and most importantly, how much it cost. So stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Okay, so starting off with my sink, these beautiful rocks and shells, I got them from Walmart, a big box of them for just $4.14. And this entire jar, including the seashells, I got from Goodwill for just $3.99. It was so cute. Now this set, for my soap dispenser and my toothbrush holder, I got from Ross for $4.99, and I tied twine around one of them. I ran out, so I just have to get some more to do the other one. And this jar I keep the mouthwash in, it came from Daiso for $1.50, which is a Japanese dollar store. And this glass seashell I got from the 99-cent store, and I keep shot glasses on them to hold the mouthwash. This plant stem was free, and as well as the plant, my friend actually made it from an old plant that she had. And this beautiful wall decal, it's seashells. I thought it was perfect, and it was only 99 cents at the 99-cent store. As well as this really cute canvas, wall canvas I got from the Dollar Tree for just $1. Now, these are actually kitchen towels. It came with a set of 4, and it was only $2.99 from Walmart. And I just tied a twine around the middle one, and I thought it came out really cute. These jars, I fell in love with them. They say love, laugh, and live. And I got 2 of them for $1 each at the Dollar Tree, as well as this oil diffuser I got from the Goodwill. It smells amazing, and it was only $2.99 brand new. This basket I also got from the Goodwill. It was $2.99, and I use it to store my toilet paper, my air freshener, and then my little toilet wipes. This trash can was free, but I got it from the 99-cent store years ago, and I just painted it with spray paint, a blue trash bag, as well as that holder. I already had it. This beautiful canister with sand, my brother-in-law had it at their wedding, and his wife asked me did I want it, and I said yes. I filled it with rocks, and I thought it went perfectly in the bathroom. These beautiful seashell shower hooks were for the 99-cent store, and they were $2.99. This seashell shower curtain I got from Ross for $7.99, along with the beige shower curtain. It was actually 1, and I just literally took some scissors, cut it down the middle, and made it 2. And those 2 ribbons that are tied around them actually came on the packaging, and I just tied it with, tied it back with that. This bamboo rug came from Goodwill for $6.99. And as well as, $7.99, and the blue bamboo rug came from Ross for $6.99. And here we're getting to a few before and after pictures. goal. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you are notified every time I do post a new video. And remember, if nobody told you they love you today, know that God loves you, and of course Yellow loves you. You are amazing, you're incredible, you are awesome. So go out and be great. As always, my name is Yellow. Have a lovely day.